A lot of time, our moral judgment of history, no matter we judge them to be heroes or villains, are historically constructed. One of the things that we need to learn from studying history is the ability to discern historical facts and historical interpretations, or we can say historical judgments. Fact is an interesting term. So, what is fact? Right now, in May 2018, I have two sons. This is a fact. Right now, in May 2018, I have two smart and cute sons. It might be a fact, but this is an interpretation or judgment that I have. I consider my son to be smart and cute, but that is my personal judgment and not yours. And I shouldn't force you to agree with me. If we think about it carefully, we may surprisingly find out that when we read history, most of the time we are reading interpretations and judgments rather than historical facts. Why is it so important to distinguish facts from interpretations? Everyone has his or her own bias. I will not pretend that I have no bias. I'm impartial. I'm justified in everything I say. It is crucial for us to admit our bias, and then we can face our bias and figure out what might be missing because of our own bias. When we read history, we have to recognize those interpretations and then decide whether we would accept those interpretations after we learn, study, and research the historical facts. If we take those hidden interpretations for granted and accept them without recognizing them, it is very easy to fall into the trap that the writers, the politicians, or whosoever behind those interpretations set up